At the bottom of any page in Web Supplier will be three links: Logout, Settings, and User Guide. Clicking on the Logout button will log you out of Web Supplier. Please note also that after 1 hour of inactivity, you will automatically be logged out for security purposes. You can always log back in once you have been logged out. The next button is the Settings button, which gives you access to creating and editing login details, creating alerts, and setting payment terms. Then we have the User Guide, which is a detailed document in PDF form on how to use Web Supplier. It is a good guide to save and read to learn more about Web Supplier. Across on the right, we have the support team's email and phone numbers. Our support team will be readily available to assist you with any queries you may have. So let's look inside the settings link. This will open us up to the settings page. In this page, there are three settings which you will mainly be using. First, we have the user and preferences link, where we can create new users and reset passwords. The alerts link, where we can set SMS and email alerts. And lastly, at the bottom, document number templates, where we can automate document numbers. Clicking on the user details and preferences will open up the user settings page. Your user details will be shown in table form. For example, you can see my demo user setup. We'll have the username, the full name, the company, the role, which will either be supplier administrator or user, the last time you've logged in, and the edit button. Clicking on the edit button takes you to the user edit page, where you can change the role, username details, and password. So this would be the section you would come into if you ever needed to change your password. Now if we go back into the user settings page, we are going to practice creating a user. So to create a new user, we just click on the create user button here, and this will open up the new users page. So for training purposes, I will be setting up a dummy user to guide you on how to create new users. So in the first text box, it'll ask for the full name. Once you've entered that, go down and enter in the username. After you've entered the username, select the role, either user or supplier administrator. Supplier administrator will have more rights over a user. Next, enter in the password they will need to use to log in. Select the location and the company. If you would like the user to only see certain branches, what you can do in My Branches is enter the branch codes separated by a comma. This will only show the branches that have been entered in here. If you leave this blank, they will be able to see all branches associated. So once we've filled this all out, we go down and click Save, and you will see your user listed on the table and the message on the top saying that the details have been saved.